Hello and welcome to the EzyRoulette tutorial series. So in this first video, I'll be introducing to you what we will be developing in this series. And I also talk a little bit about the frameworks and the libraries that we'll be using. And without further ado, let's get started. In this series, our goal is to build a simple online game called EzyRoulette. And in our game, we have the authentication function in which each user will have a different account, and most importantly, many users can have access to one common lucky roulette and they can spin it to get lucky prize. And of course, we have only limited quantity and fixed ratio for each prize. So our game is just that simple. Okay, so now I will give you a demo to showcase the result at the end of this series. So first we have a server which is running locally on my machine. I've already started it. And we also have a database. So I call it Lucky Wheel for now. And we have a wheel collection which stores all the information about the prize in our roulette. So you can see each prize have a limited quantity and a fixed ratio, as we have mentioned before. And okay, so now let's open the Unity. So I have already started our game. And first of all, we have the authentication function in which I can log in using my username and password. And after login successfully, I can access to a common wheel on my server. So I can click spin. So when I click spin, so the Unity client will send a request to our server and then get a result back. And this time I get bad luck. And I get bad luck again. Alright, luckily I got 500 stars for this spin. So let's check our database. You can see for the 500 star, that is the number 2 in our roulette. So let's refresh our collection. So note that the quantity now is 996 because we haven't refreshed our database. So if I click on refresh, the quantity here should decrease by 1. Okay, number 2. Yeah, you can see the quantity decreased to 995. Sorry, 995. And yeah, that's good. And that is basically all we will be developing in this series. And now I will talk a little bit about the frameworks and the libraries that we will be using in this series. And for the client, I'll use the Unity and the EasyFox Server C# Client SDK. So you can check it out in our GitHub Young Monkey profile. So you can search for the C# client. So this is the SDK I use for the Unity client. Okay. If you find it useful, please give it a star on our repository. And for the server side, I use the EasyFox server. So please check it out in our GitHub repo. And if you find it useful, please give it a star also. And you can see the features of EasyFox server here. So basically, we have the core container and dependency injection, multiple communication protocol is support TCP, UDP, WebSocket, HTTP. So basically you can build a complete online game using the EasyFox server very easily. And we also offer the traffic encryption. Basically all the traffics between clients and servers can be encrypted using the SSL. And we also provide multiple client SDKs, for example, Unity, C#, iOS, Android, Java, Flutter, etc. And you can watch this video to see the benchmark of our EasyFox server. And so that's it. So that's all I want to introduce to you in this video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Cheers!